wondered why listening to nature sounds feels so good? It's not just about enjoying the calming rhythm of waves crashing against the shore. It goes much deeper than that. Our brains are wired to respond positively to the sounds of nature. It's like a natural remedy for all the stress and chaos we face in our daily lives. When we listen to the flow of a river, our bodies automatically start to relax. It's like hitting the reset button for our minds. Studies have shown that immersing ourselves in nature sounds can actually reduce feelings of anxiety and improve our overall mood. It's like nature's own therapy session, available to all of us anytime, anywhere. And there's more. Listening to nature sounds can also help us sleep better. The soothing sounds of birdsong or rainfall can lull us into a deep, restful slumber, leaving us feeling refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning. So, whether you're feeling stressed or struggling to sleep, why not give nature sounds a try? Trust me, your mind and body will thank you for it.